In a few short minutes, I'm gonna show you guys how to save a ton of money and a huge headache. What's up guys, it's Mike. If you guys are anything like me, you've got a problem right now. Because of the entire corona pandemic going on right now, you might have a car sitting around and it's not moving. It's not being driven. It's not really being started up, which means your battery is probably dying. Before we move on to the video, tell me how many cars you guys have and what kind of cars do you have in the comments below. I'm kind of curious what you guys drive. I'm gonna show you guys one little thing that can change your entire world. If you're a car guy that has a car sitting around, definitely don't want this happening to your battery. Here's the secret weapon. Ta-da! Trickle charger. Super important. Here's how this little amazing thing works. Unfortunately, your car's been sitting, so this thing charges your car, hence the name Trickle Charger. And the greatest thing, this thing will work with pretty much anything, as long as it has a battery. 6 volt, 12 volt. I'll even show you how I'm charging it on my little Ruckus. Right now, you guys are looking inside my 2009 1000 horsepower GTR, and this is the battery compartment. Super small. It actually runs the same size battery as a Honda Civic. It's currently plugged in right now, and you can see it says 100%. Pretty much positive, negative, plug it in, and that's about it. It tells you it's a 12 volt and tells you it's charging. Initially, when it starts off, it might tell you it's at 25 or 50%. Over time, it'll increase to 100%. Hey, I noticed something really interesting recently about my channel. A lot of you guys are watching the channel but are not subscribed, and YouTube has unsubscribed a lot of people before. So if you guys can do me a huge favor, go down below, check if you guys are subscribed, and the notification bell is set on all. Let me know. That way you guys get notifications of daily uploads. Here's the cool part. Look at how long this is. I'll span it the length of my GTR so you guys get a perspective. Leah, would you like to help me?
Yes.
Can you hold this right here?
Thanks.
Hold it right there. Go put it on the ground. It spans pretty much the length of the GTR. This trickle charger comes with these. Everyone's familiar with these clamps, right? But check this out. You can actually unplug this, throw one of these on, which is perfect for my Honda Ruckus, plug it in right in here. Boom, just like that. Hi, Leah.
Let's say market day together.
What day? Market day?
Yes. Market day.
Market day. That's the box of the adapter for the Ruckus, which are these little adapters. Now the reason this is so nice is because I can take the same trickle charger, switch the plugs out, and just charge my car or my Ruckus, especially since I don't ride the Ruckus as often. Here, I'm just plugging it in. Once it snaps in, the trickle charger will start registering. As I plugged it in, you guys can see here, it says 25%. It'll trickle all the way up to 100%, and you know you're good to go. Here's why I think it's so important. I've been running this trickle charger for the past 2 years on about 6 different cars. My 240, all the way to my GTR, and all the way now to the Honda Ruckus. If a dead battery replacement can cost anywhere between $50 for a used one all the way to $300-400 like I did for my 68 Camaro, this trickle charger is only $70. Especially right now with you guys stuck at home, your cars are probably sitting for even a lot longer. Especially for those of you who have project cars, this is what you need. Just to be clear, I'm not sponsored. I actually believe in this thing because it really does work. Some of you guys are gonna ask a very good question. Does this overcharge the battery? The answer is no. It's actually smart. It knows not to F up your battery. And look at that, while filming this video, it already showed up to 100%. Bam, battery's healthy. That's good. And that pretty much wraps up the random tech review with me. And if you guys are interested in more of these, I have a ton of different products I can review. Let me know in the comments below. And of course, all the products on this video is in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Peace out, fist bump.